Hello, and welcome to another Blacklist walkthrough guide. Today I'm going to be talking about starting fresh, what it means, how to do it, and the few kind of examples where it might really make sense for you to choose to start fresh on a project. So, just to kind of make sure that we have some shared starting language, the first thing that I'm going to do is open up the public project page for my project, the test. So, I click on it, I open up the public project page. So this takes me to what other people see when they look at my project. They can scroll through and just see all the information that I might have added about it. So things like its genre, the log line, any evaluations I might have, all of the tags I've added for it. When you choose to start fresh, all of this information will be removed. I just like to start with that to really, really emphasize that starting fresh is a big action. It's a permanent action, and it's one that removes basically all information about your project except for the title. In general, I don't recommend starting fresh unless you've done a really, really major revision and maybe some of the previous feedback that you've gotten on your project is just no longer relevant, or you've really changed and grown the project since then. Or if through the course of working through many revisions and onboarding other notes that you may have received, if you've decided to change the format of your project, like let's say it started out as a feature, and after quite a lot of revising and rethinking, you've reimagined it as an entire series and you want to upload the pilot, then I would say it makes sense to start fresh, remove all of the old, now incorrect information about your project, but keep that title so that then you can upload the new draft and start fresh. So now that that's established, let's go through the steps for how to actually do this. So identify from your writer dashboard the project that you want to start fresh on. So we'll click Demo Manuscript. Now from here, we're going to select the Hosting tab. Now I want to quickly call out that because this project is listed, I'm not currently seeing a Start Fresh option. So if you happen to have a project listed, but you want to start fresh, you'll first need to activate it and bring it online. Don't worry, we have a 24-hour grace period, so you wouldn't suddenly be charged for hosting immediately. And now scroll down to see the Start Fresh section. Again, really reread all of this. Make sure you feel confident in your choice. I will continue to emphasize this is a permanent action. It permanently deletes every bit of information connected to your project except for the title. That includes evaluations that you may have purchased, industry ratings that you may have received. All of that information gets completely deleted. But if you're sure that that's what you want for your project, you'd click the Start Fresh button, acknowledge that you understand what this means, and then you'll hit Start Fresh. And we get a confirmation note right up here. From there, you'd be able to go to the Edit Project tab, upload your new draft, add your new information, etc.